Welcome back to another video. It is absolutely beautiful, sunny day, 60-degree weather temperature. Got my t-shirt on, joined by Bryson and Ethan. Fun fact, Ethan has not caught his first bass of this year, so it'd be pretty cool if he can manage to do that today. Last time I fished this pond was about last week. We ended up doing pretty well. You guys really liked that video, so we're back at here. And today's mission is trying to break my personal best. The bass are undergoing that spring transition. They're moving from deep water to very shallow. So there's not a better time to catch your personal best than right now. If you guys are not subscribed yet, please consider it. It'll be awesome if we can reach 10K this year. And also make sure to turn on that notification bell so you don't end up missing any of my videos. All that being said, let's go rip some lips. Hope you guys enjoy. Starting off with a 3/4 or 1/2 ounce red eye shad by Strike King. Gonna literally just fish alongside these banks and see what we can get to bites. Oh, cranked it. He cranked it right there, right at the bank. Oh man, I was not ready for that. That was a good one. Oh man, that's unfortunate. They do be biting. There we go. There he is. He got off. He got off. Yeah, that was a 2. Easy 2. We are gonna downsize, guys. This thing's a little big. Hooks are a little heavy, and I don't know. That is just sad. He hit twice too. 5 minutes into fishing, already hooked a good one, and then it just popped right off. Just Let's go. Ethan's got his first fish. Is it big?
Oh my gosh, it's a giant.
Really?
Giant. I mean, it's like 3 or 4.
All right. Oh, okay. Ethan's hooked up to a good one. All right. Bring it. Bring here. Bring here.
Oh my goodness.
All right.
I don't know.
Nice and easy.
It could be a catfish.
That's a catfish.
Oh,
you got a
come on.
catfish.
Got him.
There you go. Dude, that's fat.
Holy smokes.
That's fat. What? Oh, man.
Oh my
What?
gosh. That's not a 3, but that's darn close.
Definitely an interesting
Dude,
bite.
look at how he's eating. Look at how.
Look at that. What a strange start to our day. Last hold up. All right, man. You want to let it go?
Sure. Fighting. Wow.
Give me some. Just letting you guys know, that catfish was not a paid actor. That just randomly happened. Awesome, but still not the right species. But Ethan's happy about it, so I guess we're all happy about it. Oh dear, look at that. I knocked off part of the nose of this bait. That might have been from hitting my bag. Oh, I think I cracked it. I did crack it. Well, hopefully, you know, that adds a little bit of more of a dynamic to this bait. Looks more like an injured bait fish now, so that's good. Oh, that was small. I just hooked on to a very small bass. Oh, that's bigger. That's a lot bigger. Oh man. Never mind. Never mind. Still a little dink. Nice little 1-pounder. Get you back in the drink. Oh, there's one. Right on the fall. He got off. Wait. Yeah, he got off. There's one. Yeah. Nope. Stay down. Stay down. It's big. It's good. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Oh, it's a catfish. Well, never mind. Never mind. Oh, nope. No. Oh, man. Dude, look, guys. Look at this. Dude, can you just like come off, please? I don't have time for you. I'm going for some trophy largemouth here, okay? Not some catfish. Okay. You know what? You know what, buddy? We're just gonna. Oh yes, there we go. Oh, guys, he just hooked me on the shirt. There we go. Silver and blue Bill Lewis rattle trap. fish in here are a little bit more. You just had one? Yeah. Sorry to hear that. You still, oh, there was one. There's one. Interesting fight it's putting up. Oh, okay, that's a good one. Oh, please stay on. Whew. Don't jump. Nope. All right, he choked it. We're good. Dude, let's go. Yeah, that's picture worthy right there. Choked it. All right, see you, girl. Let's go, guys. Nothing like a decent bite like that. And then a healthy girl released back into the wild. That fish was about the same size as the one I had caught earlier, or the first fish I missed actually. I thought that was a fish, but I'm wrong. It was not. Definitely not a fish. Maybe a turtle? Could have been. Oh, there's one. You guys might want to cast here. I got a little surfer dude. What's up, dude? All right. See you, buddy. Little dinker. Hello. Grow to be a 10-pounder. See you later. There's one. Hit right at the bank. You up for a little 1v1 challenge starting now?
No.
So just skip ahead and fish those curves. Whew. There's one. That's a good one. Oh, please don't be a catfish. No, it got off. That was a massive one. Whoa. Wow, that was a tank. Oh, this guy's so small compared to the one I just lost. Man, normally I'd be very stoked to catch this guy, but just today, I missed some giants, guys. See you, buddy. All right, dude, you gotta work this fast, okay? Hit that corner. Pretty high percentage spot right there. No, right here. So walk up. Yes, straight.
Equal to this?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Ethan's got one. Let's go. What did I tell you? High percentage spots.
Take a photo.
What kind of fish do you catch?
Largemouth bass. There's plenty of them here.
Do you have to throw them back, or can
Yeah, we just throw them all back.
Yeah.
Yo, we just wrapped up fishing. Today was one of those days where you just kind of lose track of how many fish you catch because it's just so plentiful. This is probably gonna be one of the last golf course videos for a while because I do have a series planned that is coming up. A lot of you guys have been requesting it, and finally, the temperatures are perfect and these specific fish are actually going crazy right now. So thank you so much for watching. If we can get this video to 5 likes, I'll be pretty happy. Love you guys. And as always, fish for the adventure.